template as part of the CEO System ClickUp bundle. This is something that will come in as a separate list. You can choose which space you want this one to go. I personally have mine in my GC business manual just at the end of it. Totally up to you. You can put it in your business hub, or you can create a separate space for goals. So what this is super simple, but it is a place for you to go in and say, like, let's set a goal. You can set the status here. You can set the timeline for 90 days, a year, 10 years. And what it's going to do is it's going to separate these out by time. The really cool thing about this is it's going to automatically track your progress based on this little arrow here, your subtasks. So these are action steps that you need to achieve your goal. You can individually change the status to these, and you'll see it's going to start to move this bar for your main goal. So you can very visually see how far along you are to achieving those goals. And one thing that, how you create those subtasks, just as an example, is this right here, create a subtask. So you can say action step 1. You can also do it by clicking in and add a subtask here. So that can be an easy way to do it as well. If you prefer to, you can go up here to subtasks and expand all. You can like show, which should expand those. Let me refresh. Sometimes ClickUp can be a little slow. You have to do Command R. There we go. So you can set it to where the subtasks will all be expanded. Totally up to you. I personally like to just see my main goal. And I like to click into it and then kind of view the action steps here. You can see 2 are completed, and it crosses them off for me. So yeah, that is really all that I do with my goal tracker, except I do add tags for personal and for business. So just to keep track of things, you can go look at the board and look at it, you know, this way. If you have certain due dates when you want to accomplish it, you can have the calendar here. But overall, I love to keep my goals in here. I love to keep notes, keep track of my action steps, and that's something I reevaluate quarterly, annually, and just make sure that, you know, everything that I'm doing is moving towards my 10-year goal. So you can change the status to these too, to in progress. So I hope that helps.